The fairy's magical frog. Neha was a very sweet girl. She was the only daughter of her parents. Neha's mom has become very bad. Neha's father takes Neha's mother to the hospital and gets her treated, but the doctor are unable to save her and she dies. Neha was very young. She remembers her mother, cries a lot. Sunil, Neha's father, takes care of his daughter and performs at the last rite of his wife. One day, Neha is crying outside her house. Where are you, mom? I miss you so much. Neha's father is very sad to see such condition of Neha, and he explains to her and says, "Daughter, you don't worry, your mother is with us. You are telling the truth, Dad. Look at the star you see in the sky. That is your mother. But would not she come down?" Definitely will come down. One day she will definitely come down, but will change. She will not be like before. But why? Because if she comes down, she will have to come down with her other form. Only then fairies in the sky will allow her to come down. No problem, father. After all, she will be my mother. Yes, but maybe their behavior will also change. No problem, Dad. If fairies want this, then I have no problem. And anyway, fairies never thinks bad of anyone. Whatever happens, it will be for good. Just like that, Sunil wanted to tell Neha about her stepmother. Sunil had married a woman named Vimla and she wanted to Neha meet her. In a few days, Sunil brings Vimla in front of Neha. And what comes? Look, Neha, your mother has come. Oh, my dear mom has come. I was missing you so much. Now you will always be with me and don't leave me. No, daughter. Now I will not leave you. In the beginning, Vimla take care of Neha a lot. She applies oil to her head, makes her hair and also give beautiful clothes and also feeds delicious food. They were passing like this. In a few years, Vimla would also have a son. Vimla's behavior completely changes after having a son. Vimla starts feeling burdened by Neha. And now she starts troubling Neha a lot, so that she leaves the house. But Vimla obeys all her mother words, makes Neha do all the household work, and even beats her for the all slightest mistake. Sunil is not here all day. He used to stay out of the house, so he had no news of the house. When Sunil used to come back home, Neha used to sleep, so Sunil did not know how Vimla behaves with Neha. While playing with son, Vimla feels thirsty and calls Neha. Neha, bring me a glass of water. Neha brings water for her mother. But seeing that water was not cold, she gets angry and throws the glass brought by Neha and slaps Neha and says, "You only got this water? Why you don't go die after going to give me this drink? You just sitting on my head like a bow. You just keep on eating all day." Neha was very tired of listening to her mother and she started crying, remembering her mother and says, "You can't be my mother. My mother never used to beat me. You are very dirty and also very bad. Yes, I am not your mother. It would be better if you go away from here." Neha becomes very sad after hearing these words of her mother, and now she does not sleep at night. Vimla does not even give food to Neha. "I am feeling very hungry." Then she go to Vimla pleadingly and says, "Mom, I am very hungry. Give me some food." Neha cries for a long time while saying this, but her mother does not feel pity on her at all. "You will not get anything to eat. You are not going anywhere except this house, so I will not give you food. One day you will die of hunger." "You want to me die, so it's okay. I'm leaving this house. Does Neha leave after saying all these things to her mother? Neha had not eaten anything for a long time, so she starts feeling dizzy while walking and sits in front of the river and starts crying. Mom, why did you leave me? Mom, it's bothered me a lot. Mom, come back. Otherwise, I will die by jumping into this river. Neha cries a lot. Her mother feels pity and appears in front of her. My dear daughter, I know that your stepmother turtles you a lot, but she keeps on tolerating all the atrocities. And today's your patience has broken. And today you have come here to die after losing courage. Daughter, now I am no more, but is being said that I will not let you die like this and will teach that evil mother of yours. After this, she gives a magical frog to Neha. Daughter, take this. It is a magical frog. It will fulfill all the wishes of yours. And yes, whoever turtles you, this frog will teach him a good lesson. You take this frog and go to your home. My daughter, from now, in your mind never thought a die. My blessings are always with you. Neha takes that magical frog from her mother, and after saying goodbye to her mother, she wears the magical frog and she asks for delicious food to eat from the magical frog. Then, various delicious dishes appears in front of Neha. She eats food to her fill, and now Neha goes back to her house. Seeing Neha, her mother says, I knew that you will come back. You will not leave this house and go anywhere. I will teach you a lesson. Then Vimla is admitted towards Neha with a stake. Then a lightning comes and she completely electrocuted on. Hey, what's happening with me? Please forgive me. Forgive me. Save me from electric shock. If I will go away, who will take care of my son? Hey, if you do more atrocities on Neha, then I will kill you. It is good for you that you keep Neha as your daughter. Otherwise, no will be worse than me. Okay. From now, Neha is my own daughter like. I will never disturb her. Now forgive me. I regret my all mistakes. After this, Neha stopped the electric shock by telling Frog, and now everything is fine. After this, Vimla stopped behaving like a stepdaughter with Neha, and she loves Neha like her own son. Sunil doesn't believe it, but feels good that Vimla take care of Neha like her own mother. And now, Neha too happily lives with her parents and younger brother. So friends, how did you like the story of mine? Please tell me by commenting and do not forget to share our story with your friends. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then go and subscribe by pressing the red button below. Till then, bye bye friends.